Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. As I may have mentioned before, every Sunday my son plays football for a little local team, which means I often spend my Sunday mornings standing on the touchline along the side of the football pitch, watching the football, but also chatting to some of the other parents of the children in the team. Last week I was talking to somebody and they mentioned the fact that there used to be a real helicopter parent, always hovering over their children, monitoring them, watching them, making sure they were safe, telling them what not to do, telling them what to do, telling them what to pick up, what to put down, what not to go near, and so on. They then mentioned that over the years they've learned to be a little bit more hands-off. If you talk about a hands-off way of doing something, of organising, of dealing with things, it basically means you leave other people to make decisions a bit more about how things should be done. You basically don't always try to control every little aspect of everything. And obviously, this can be both positive and negative. You might hear someone talk about their boss's hands-off management style, where basically the boss doesn't try to micromanage everything. Maybe if you've worked in a language school before, you might have found that the owners of the school adopt a fairly hands-off approach to the running of the school and let the directors of a study or the assistant director of studies get on with managing the school on a day-to-day basis. Maybe if a family owns a chain of restaurants, they adopt a hands-off approach to the business and let the local managers get on with the day-to-day running of things. In these instances, it's usually quite a positive thing. However, we often hear in the UK about our own government's traditional hands-off approach towards big business, which basically has tended to mean that the government has left big businesses to do whatever the hell they want. They haven't regulated them, they haven't taxed them enough, they haven't controlled what they do enough. And as a result, big businesses have often avoided paying tax, polluted the environment, exploited workers, and so on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd like to see examples of how you might use hands-off